Hello everyone, welcome to today's educational video tutorial on how to buy Arkham, that is ARKM, from a crypto exchange and then transfer it to your Tangem hardware wallet. In today's tutorial, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to specifically buy Arkham on KuCoin using Canadian dollars or USDT and then transfer it to your Tangem hardware wallet within just a few minutes. If you're new to my channel, I'm Umoren, your trusted money coach. Follow me on Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter for more educational content on investing and personal finance. If you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also like this video. Thank you so much for your support. Let's dive in. Step 1. Log into your preferred crypto exchange. For today's tutorial, we're going to be using KuCoin. You can also follow the same process if you're using Binance, Kraken, Coinbase, or any crypto exchange of your preference. Okay? So if you don't have a KuCoin account yet, go to the description area below for the official referral link. So go ahead and log into your KuCoin account. So once you're logged into KuCoin, first we need to transfer some Canadian dollars into our KuCoin account. So for us to do that, you're going to click Buy Crypto and scroll to P2P. So P2P is simply peer-to-peer, where we're going to be making bank transfers. And for this tutorial, we're going to be sending via Interact from a Canadian bank account to our KuCoin account. And then we're going to extend that for USDT. Okay, so go ahead and click on P2P. Just click on OK. Now we're going to be buying some USDT. So here we're going to enter the amount. So I'm just going to put in $100 here. So depending on the amount, so the larger the amount, obviously, the more options you're going to get. So I'm going to scroll down to the next available one. I'm going to go to page 2 and see what I have. So I'm going to click on this one, even though it's a little bit more expensive. But today, I'm just buying $100 worth of USDT. And this is the crypto sweep. So I'm going to click on buy. And here it shows me how much USDT that crypto sweep still has available. Shows me the price and also the limit. And this is going to be via Interact, okay? So here we have a remark, no third-party payment, please. Do not mention anything crypto related to the transfer. Please provide a screenshot of the payment with a security code. So here, I'm just going to enter $100, and this is going to give me about 68.9 USDT. So I'm going to click on place order. So just click on OK. So this is the Interact details. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and make this transfer. So I'm going to log into my Canadian bank account. For example, if you're using Scotiabank, TD, CIBC, just go ahead the same way that you would typically send Interact. Go ahead and do the same thing. So you can see here that I have about 30 minutes to make this transfer. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. I'm going to click on pay. So this is the details that I'm going to use to send the Interact. So I'm going to literally copy this and put this into my online banking. So go ahead and do the same thing for yourself. And also remember, when you're making the transfer, make sure that you just copy this, okay? Never just type it out, because if you do, you have the tendency to just enter the wrong letter or the wrong number. So I always recommend that you just simply copy, okay? Just copy this. Now, I've already sent this Interact and I took a screenshot of the payment. So I'm now going to send this crypto sweep a screenshot of the payment. So I'm just going to say payment screenshot. And then I'm going to click on confirm payment. So I'm just going to wait a little bit for this to be processed. Then you're also going to send the person the password for the Interact. So I just did. So I just got a notification that the transaction is now complete and the seller has released the crypto. So I'm just going to click on transfer assets, because usually this crypto would have been deposited into my funding account. So click on transfer asset. You can see the USDT is now in my funding account. So I need to transfer it to my trading account and then use this to buy Arkham. So click on transfer. Again, I'm sending from funding to my trading account and I want to send everything. Click on confirm. Success. So now step 2, we're ready to buy some Arkham. So I'm going to go to market and I'm going to search here for Arkham. So this is it here. So I'm going to click on trade. Now I'm just going to be buying ARKM walls. So next I'm going to click on market and I'm going to enter the USDT amount that I want to spend. I just want to spend 25% of this. And this is going to cost me about 17 USDT. So I'm going to click on buy. So I've successfully placed the order for this. So now I'm going to go back to my home page, click on KuCoin, the upper right. Now click on asset. So next I'm going to click on trading. And right here you can see the Arkham that we just bought. Step 3, log into your Tangem Wallet app. If you don't have a Tangem hardware wallet, scroll down to the description area below for the official website. And don't forget to use my discount code Blooming to get 10% off your order. So go ahead and log into your Tangem app. So once you're logged in, click on Manage Tokens. Now I'm going to search for Arkham. So this is it. So I'm going to click on it and click on this drop down arrow here. You can see here that the only available network to send Arkham on is the ERC20. So I'm going to slide this to the right. Go ahead and do that. Then click on Save Changes. So now I'm going to scroll to the bottom of the screen. And right here, you can see Arkham, right? So I'm going to click on that. Then click on Receive. So this is my wallet. So I'm going to click on Copy. Address copy to clipboard. Now I'm going to paste this into my KuCoin wallet. So you can see that I'm doing this on my desktop. So because I'm doing this on my desktop, one of the easiest ways to get your address would be to just share this in your email and just email this yourself and open this in your email. But if you're doing this on your phone, you can just simply copy this. So next, go back into KuCoin and click on deposit. Then right here, click on withdraw. Now I'm going to be withdrawing Arkham and I'm going to paste my wallet address here. The network here is ERC20 and this is going to cost about 6 Arkham. So I'm going to click on trading account and I just want to withdraw everything. So I'm going to get about 7.99 Arkham and that's because of the trading fee. So I'm going to click on withdraw. If you're sending a lot of Arkham or any crypto, I always recommend that you send a little. Make sure that you test the wallet to make sure that the transaction goes through successfully before continuing with the major transaction. This is just best practices, okay? So I'm going to click on withdraw. Click on confirm. Now I'm going to enter my trading password and also my 2FA and email verification code. Click on submit. So I'm going to wait a few minutes for this transaction to be processed. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, give it a like, and also subscribe to my channel. And if you want me to make a video tutorial on any coin or token, also let me know in the comment section below. I really appreciate your support. For those of you that don't have a Tangem hardware wallet, scroll down to the description area below for the official website. And don't forget to use my discount code Blooming to get 10% off your order. So we can see here that the transaction is already complete. So I'm going to log back into my Tangem wallet to see if this has been processed already. So go ahead and do that. So right here at the bottom of the screen, you can see that the Arkham that we just sent is now in our wallet. So we've come to the end of today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a like and also subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to leave me a comment below. I really appreciate your support. Until then, I'm Blooming Umoren, your trusted money coach.